Good morning to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Alok Industries share levels. We'll also see the certificate which was recently given by the company, and we'll also see the levels in next days where it can go. And people who are interested or want to exit, they can watch the video till the end. And in the previous videos I've discussed about best penny stock that you can add in your portfolio. So people have not watched it can definitely watch it as well, and if you're not yet subscribed, then definitely subscribe the channel. Okay, now let's see the certificate which was given by Alok Industries. Okay, this is the basic certificate which was given by Alok. Just I wanted to share the certificate because we can see how the management is responding very quickly to the all the updates which they are getting. So you can see that it has mentioned around the 15th July that we are sending here with certificate dated 10th July when Link in Time India Private Limited has also given a circular regarding the depositories and participants. So I'll discuss that as well in the next slide. So it has confirmed okay, the Alok Industries, the company confirming the compliance of SEBI. So it is telling that we are changing the data in the records. So and they're confirming and they given the stamp as well. Okay, so what did Link in Time India Private Limited ask Alok? So we'll see that as well, and we'll also see what is this Link in Time India Private Limited, what that company does as well. So as per knowledge, so that you can have a idea what that company does. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, see, almost this was given on 10th July 2020 by Link in Time Private Limited. So you can see what it has given that if you want to read complete thing, you can pause and read. Just I'm giving the highlight of this. So he told that hereby we also confirm that the security certificate received for dematerialization have been muted and cancelled after due verification by the depository participant, and the name of the depositors have been substituted in register of members as register owner within 15 days. So we request you to kindly note of the above in your record. So for this above data, it asks the company to note it in your record and owner within 15 days. So company has responded to that, and yesterday the certificate was given by Alok. So we know that the management is responding to all the updates time to time, and also we know that recently 10,000 employees were added to this particular company, and in previous video also I've discussed about that. So this is what I wanted to share about this. Now let's see what is this Link in Time company. Okay, so Link in Time India Private Limited, okay, is also previously known as In Time Spectrum Registry Limited, okay, and Spectrum Corporates are merged and became In Time Spectrum Registry offer and the registry services. In Time Spectrum is leading register in handling various IPOs. Okay, it handles the various IPOs. So whenever any IPO is coming, so this particular organization handles that. Apart from that, we can see total share registry services, we can say advisory services, dividend distribution and recollection, interaction with SEBI, stock exchanges and other statutory bodies. So these type of activities this company does. Okay, so just I wanted to share the information so that you will have a basic idea of this. Now let's see the basic technicals of Alok Industries, where it will go. Okay, so nothing to panic about it. Okay, still it's in correction mode only. In the previous videos also I told the levels where you can focus, where exactly it has obeyed and opened at that levels. I'll show you on charts as well, so that you can add in small quantities or you can book minor profits. Okay, let's see that. So before that, when we see the deliveries of this, almost in July 15th, you can see only 57.8 deliveries were present. In previous days, we can see 100, and almost on the previous day, 55 was there. So delivery slightly decreased. Okay, almost still the operators are into it and they are doing the trading in it. Okay, but what's our strategy? We need to basically focus on the levels. So once the quarter results of this company will be declared, once we have an idea of the revenue and profits, then definitely a small retracement will be seen in this company. So we'll have an idea. Okay, we know that PPE kits it does the manufacturing of PPE kits. So many people are telling that once the vaccine comes, the PPE kit production may be stopped, but you should not think in that way. Okay, the company not only does PPE kits, but also other businesses also there for the company. Okay, you need to be, okay, we can say that, not completely negative minded. We should also think the positive point of view of the company as well. Okay, now let's see the technicals. So you can see in the technicals, you can see these levels. Okay, this is the 20 EMA. I told that you can focus on the 20 EMA as well as this pivot point, okay, where it may open so that you can exit or you can add in small quantities, whoever is interested. So I'm updating all this in Telegram as well as in the YouTube community section. So if you have pressed the bell icon, then definitely you'll get the notification. So on that day I have mentioned this. Now again it's coming to this 50 EMA, and you can see same pivot is also present here, 29.20 as well as 31.36. Okay, there may be a chance that again it will open at these particular levels, so that you can focus at these points. If you're interested, then definitely you can have a watch on it. And definitely when you see the money flow index, you can see that it has reached the oversold region and it's continuing its journey. So we don't know what will happen at any point of time. So once the quarter results are declared, then definitely I'll update that. Okay, and MACD is also showing a weakness. So focus on these levels, 50 MA, 31.36 and 29.20. So these will be the two levels. In the previous videos were these two levels that I have discussed. Almost 3 to 4 videos I have made on Alok Industries. Okay. So what are other indicators telling? So we can say that other indicators telling that almost oversold. So one thing is negative. Here again positive trending. So let all these MACD as well as other things also, let them turn into oversold. Then definitely I'll update whether you can enter or not. For right being, you can see these two levels. For present, watch these two levels, 31.36 and 29.20. Okay, and if you want to enter in small quantity, nothing to panic. So when the results will be declared, so we'll have an entire idea of the company. So this is all about Alok Industries. So in the next videos we'll discuss about future retail as well. So if you'd like the videos, then definitely like it and subscribe to the channel. So until then, take care. Bye bye.